Box this Gotrippin portable digital luggage scale. So it comes in such a box. In the side it says auto shut off after 60 seconds, capacity overload indicator, low battery indicator, dimensions is about 148 into 47 into 30 millimeters. It's about 94 grams to level. So there's a branding on the other side. At the back you come, it's highly precise sensor made up of heavy duty stainless steel, compact lightweight design, easy to read LCD design, locks automatically when weight is stabilized, weight luggage is up to 50 kgs, and this is CE and RHS approved. It comes for around 2 years or 3 years of warranty. So it comes in such a bag. So you get a bag, the weighing scale, and touch away, and there's a battery component here. So CR2032 battery button set, and we get the paperwork and some notes how to take care. So carry case is also good quality and good this thing. So you on it like this, and so they can see I am pulling it to show the weight. It displays the weight very well. So I am holding on, it locks the weight to showing an example of 1.98 kg in this. So you can drive. So you just need to keep the suitcase handle in this or bag handle and just lock it like this, and that will read. One power button, it comes in nice stainless steel. So please go ahead for this. Links will be in the description box below. Thank you.